Hey there and welcome back! Let's go on a journey through the world of modern production processes. We've got an awesome lineup of state-of-the-art machines and talented workers ready to blow your mind. Trust us, you're in for a treat, so stick around till the end. You won't want to miss a second of this epic showcase. Let's dive into the magic together. Ever thought water could be a cutting-edge tool? Well, think again. When you crank up the pressure, water becomes a slicing superhero, capable of cutting through just about anything. Meet the water jet pipe cutter from International Water Jet Machines, or IWM. Pairing high-pressure water jets with CNC pipe rotation, this bad boy can slice through square tubes, I-beams, angles, you name it, and it's not picky either. Whether it's composite materials, metal, or non-metal, this cutter gets the job done with finesse. Ever heard of cold saws? They are go-to for clean cuts without all the heat and fuss. How do they do it? Well, with a circular saw blade that spins at a relaxed pace and a splash of coolant to keep things frosty, cold saws make cutting metal look like a breeze. And you've got to see this. It's seriously satisfying to watch. This beast of a machine tearing through old gas tank scrap like it's nothing. Check out this steel pile cage production process using an automatic laser cage welding machine. This high-tech process involves using a focused laser beam to melt and fuse steel parts together, like bipolar plates. In China, there's a super cool laser that can slice through trees in a flash. This laser does such a clean job, it saves you from having to climb up the tree at all. Here's how hydraulic rivets are used in making automotive sheet metal. It's a fascinating process where these powerful tools secure the metal pieces together, ensuring everything is tight and sturdy. This powerful machine can take huge boulders and crush them into smaller pieces, making them perfect for decorative stones or gravel. It's a fantastic way to enhance landscapes and gardens. And right here, you can watch as molten hot plastic is poured into a molding machine and transformed into water jugs or bottles. It's amazing to see them take shape right before your eyes. Check out this electric log splitter. One of the best things about it is that it requires very little maintenance to keep it running smoothly. And here's another electric log splitter in action. And here we have a plasma cutter in all its glory. Watch as it slices through steel plates with incredible precision and ease. This precision cutter machine slices through aluminum sheets effortlessly, which are then carried on a conveyor belt to be stacked and prepped for shipping. This process really streamlines the manufacturing workflow. And this is croissant production with AMF Trompe. The process kicks off with layering the dough. Imagine a sheet of butter or margarine folded into the first dough sheet, then flattened again. Next, larger dough pieces are stacked on top of each other, building multiple layers. These layers create that signature flaky texture, visible when you slice a croissant in half. Once all the layering magic is done, the dough is cut into triangles by a cutting system, and a roller system shapes them into those classic croissant rolls. This is a hand grabber machine. It's like having a superhero helper. It swoops in to lift those heavy bags, like cement bags, with ease, so you don't have to break a sweat. When it comes to pressing aluminum cans, this nifty little machine, also known as an aluminum can compactor, does the trick. It crushes those cans of beer into compact cubes, making recycling a breeze. Just toss your cans in and voila! You've got yourself some tidy, space-saving cubes ready for recycling. How are bowls transformed with full-on patterns using a pad printing machine, you ask? Well, it's a crafty process. First off, they dip a blob of latex into a specially designed ink. Then, they press it onto the inside of the bowls, leaving behind these awesome one-of-a-kind patterns. And here's the ultimate way to wrap up your holiday tree. Ever heard of friction stir welding for aluminum and lightweight vehicles? It's pretty neat. This process joins two pieces of metal without melting them. Instead, a special tool stirs them together, creating a solid bond without any melting. So, what we've got here is a nifty gadget for plastering walls with cement mortar. It gets the job done by moving up and down. And get this, it can double up as a painting tool too, perfect for tackling those tricky high spots that are usually a pain to reach. One emerging yet somewhat traditional concept in construction is the introduction of mechanical bricklayers, essentially machines designed to automate the building of masonry walls. With the growing demand for skilled bricklayers and the urgent need for more housing worldwide, automating the bricklaying process for quicker, large-scale construction seems like a straightforward solution. The Hadrian X bricklaying robot gained attention when it managed to lay down an impressive 1,000 bricks in just 1 hour. To put that into perspective, your average human bricklayer usually lays around 300 to 500 bricks in a day. Take a look at how quickly and easily you can install the hydraulic bearing system. A straw hat is made using a mix of machine assistance and human craftsmanship, blending precise mechanical work with skilled labor to create exquisite traditional headwear. At the Vietnam Bag Factory, travel luggage is crafted through an innovative process. Molten plastic is heated to extreme temperatures, then inflated and shaped into a suitcase by being drawn into a mold. In Cameroon, this savvy businessman is turning recycled plastic bags into paving stones. The process begins by melting 1 kilogram of plastic bags in a heated iron bucket. Then, 4 kilograms of sand are added into the bucket, and the mixture is stirred thoroughly. If you're curious about the process behind making ramen, here's how it's done. And this is how it's done in a mega factory. Instead of painstakingly peeling potatoes one by one, you can simply toss a batch into this peeler machine. It peels them all at once as they rotate, saving you time and effort. And here's how mine and ship anchor chains are produced. This machine in the factory churns out plastic cups smoothly, shaping them into their finished forms, and then neatly stacking them in a collection area. What's impressive is its ability to craft multiple cups at once, which really speeds up how fast they're made. Watch this automatic box packing and sealing machine in action. It's perfect for packing all sorts of products into small cartons like tubes, soap, medical bottles, and even cake. Here's how most dry cleaners dry, press, and iron shirts. Wet shirts are placed onto a machine called a shirt buck. This machine uses advanced technology to ensure it doesn't tug too hard on the fabrics. Then, the shirt is treated with steam to remove stubborn wrinkles and dried with air. A methodical manufacturing process involves cutting metal into multiple thin layers while simultaneously pouring oil on top to create radiators. This technique showcases a precise approach to production, resulting in finely crafted radiators. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.